Anne and Michael just bought a new apartment. They love their comforts and modern solutions, which is why they chose Tedee, a new smart lock. Alright, let's see it in action. Now, when leaving his home, the only thing that Michael needs to remember is his smartphone with the Tedee app installed. The door will automatically lock behind him after a set delay. Or he can use the big button on the lock. When pressed and held for 1 second, the door will automatically lock after a delay configured in the app. Anne loves to shop. Big score! She set her lock to open automatically for when she approaches the door. No need to even touch the door handle. Tedee Lock will do it for her. Seriously occupied? Don't bother getting up. A single tap on your smartphone unlocks the door, or on your Apple Watch. When you're away, the Tedee app will notify you every time someone unlocks your door. Relax, Michael. It's just Anne. She's got friends coming over. The app stores a historical log of your lock activity for you to review. Leaving on holidays? Use the Tedee app to give your friends and family access to your home. Conversely, you can receive digital keys to your vacation rental. The Tedee app supports 3 levels of access: owner, administrator, and guest. Michael, did you forget to lock the door? Not a problem. Use the app to lock or unlock the door whenever you want. No charge on your phone? No worries. Use a regular key to unlock the door. The Tedee Lock can operate for up to 6 months on a single charge. Use the provided USB cord with the magnetic adapter to recharge it. The adapter is designed to detach when someone unlocks or locks the door while charging to avoid potential jams. Your Tedee Lock was designed by IoT experts and engineers from Gerda, a leading expert in security products. Tedee, unlock your door with your smartphone.